How to read someone using math. Imagine if I told you, you can read someone without magic, without guessing, and without mind reading. All you need is math. Not the boring kind, but the kind that helps you understand what people really do, what they prefer, and what they might do next. Welcome to the strange world where numbers can predict humans. Let's start with a simple math idea: probability. If your friend chooses pizza 8 times out of 10, math isn't confused. Math simply says, yeah, they're choosing pizza again. We don't read their mind. We read their pattern. People are more predictable than they think. The more times someone repeats something, the easier it becomes to guess their next move. That's probability, and it's the first step to reading people. Have you ever noticed someone who always sits in the same spot? Or laughs at the same jokes? Or walks the same route every day? Math calls this a sequence. A repeated pattern. If a person repeats a behavior long enough, you don't need to ask what they'll do next. The answer is hidden in the pattern. Here's where it gets interesting. If someone spends 4 hours gaming, 2 hours studying, 1 hour chatting, math sees a ratio, 4, 2, 1. And that ratio reveals priorities. Math doesn't just show what they do. It shows what they value. Data. Numbers don't lie. If you observe someone for 1 week, and track how often they smile, how fast they reply, how long they stay quiet, how many times they complain, you're collecting data, not spying, just noticing. Data shows patterns behind emotions. A quiet day might mean stress. Fast replies might show excitement. Slow replies might mean they're busy. Math turns tiny details into big insights. Logic. The real mind reader. Math's final superpower is logic. If a cause is B, and B happens every time A happens, then when A shows up again, logic helps you predict B. Example: if someone always goes silent when worried, and today, they suddenly go silent, you can logically guess they might be upset. Not magic, just reasoning. Humans are numbers in disguise. So can math really read people? Not exactly, but math can help you understand how they act, what they prefer, what they avoid, and what they might do next. Because humans follow patterns, and patterns always leave footprints. Math doesn't reveal minds, it reveals behavior. And if you can read behavior, you can read anyone.